Namaskar, I am Dr. Bijun Upreti, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So students, today's our topic is hazardous waste. So what is hazardous waste? Okay, we discussed about the organic farming and the betterment of the organic product we are using. Means we were going to cultivate or produce chemical free uh, crops. So how we can remove hazardous waste from these kind of crops, so we will discuss, and as a start we will discuss with the basic introduction of hazardous waste. So what is hazardous waste? According to the EPA, simply defined, a hazardous waste is a waste with properties that make it dangerous or capable of having a harmful effect on human health or the environment. Hazardous waste also includes different physical forms, including solid, liquid, and gas. It can be hazardous components can be of three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Dangerous waste can also be produced through different means, from manufacturing method and discharge substances like unused commercial product and used material, according to the different scientific organizations. The part second is sustains life. The environment includes the sun, soil, water, air, which are essential for human life. It sustains life by providing genetic and biodiversity. Okay, so ecosystem provides us sun, soil, water, air, which are essential for human life, and also it provides genetic and biodiversity. Biodiversity means diversity within a ecosystem or within a system. Okay, so third point is assimilation of waste. Production and composition activities generate waste. This occurs mostly in the form of garbage. The environment helps in getting rid of garbage. Okay, environment help us to just eliminate these kind of garbage. Enhance quality of life. How environment enhance the quality of human life? Environment enhance the quality of life. Man enjoys natural beauty like river, mountain, desert, etc. These add to the quality of life. So if we discuss about the renewable resources and non-renewable, so first of all, renewable sources. Renewable resources are those resources which can never be exhausted or depleted with their continuous use. These remain a continuous supply of renewable sources like water, trees, etc. So we can use water. We can use water renewable again in the form of different trees. Trees provide us oxygen. Trees provide better soil, better environment. So renewable means we are using these resources again and again. But next, if we discuss about, these are non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources means resources which we cannot use again, means like coal, petroleum, iron ore, etc. means these are the limited resources. That's why nowadays everyone is talking about the sustainable development. Sustainable development is the use of natural resources or use of non-renewable resources in a manner that they can be remain for the future generation. Means a sustainable and a systematic use of, means if I have 100 kg of coal, so I should use 10 kg, then 10 kg, then kg. So for that I can save this resource for the future generation. Okay, so this is the non-renewable resources. Okay, so if we discuss about the environment again, that what is environment, or what are the type of ecosystem, what are the sources of ecosystem. So environment is everything that surrounds us. Okay, that surround us, which include both living and non, everything which surrounds us. If practically what is surrounding means, surrounding me? Air, forest, trees, water bodies, everything which is surrounding me, this is my environment. Okay, the environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth because it accelerates the life. It provides the factors or suitable factors for the life system. Okay, the word environment is derived from the French word environ, 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 which means surrounding. Okay, surround, everything which surrounds, that is environment. Okay, an ecosystem refers to all the living and non-living things present in the ecosystem. Environment means surrounding, and ecosystem means all living and non. Interaction between living and non-living things is ecosystem. Okay, an ecosystem. Okay, and it is foundation of biosphere. Biosphere means a sphere, means circle or the surrounding or the area where life is present. Bio means living, sphere means circle. A circle or surrounding in which life is present, this is called biosphere, which determine the health of the entire planet Earth. Ecology and environment science are the branches of life science which mainly deal with the study of organism and their interaction among organism and their environment. Okay, so what is the type of ecosystem? There are two main types of ecosystem. Number one is natural ecosystem. Number second is artificial ecosystem. So natural ecosystem, it is naturally produced biological environment found in nature. It includes deserts, forest, grassland, lakes, mountain, ponds, river, ocean, etc. Means all the natural things, natural structures or natural constructions, these are natural ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem, it is an artificial ecosystem which is created and maintained by man. It includes an aquarium, a crop field, a garden, a park, a zoo, a national park, a botanical garden, a museum. So these are the artificial ecosystem made by man. Okay, the components of the environment are mainly divided into two categories. There are two categories, biotic environment and abiotic. As we discussed that biotic means living and abiotic means non-living. So biotic, living. It includes all living organisms such as animals, birds, forest, insect, reptiles and microorganisms like algae, bacteria, fungus, virus, etc. So these are biotic environment. These all organisms under one umbrella, which is biotic environment. And abiotic environment include all the non-living components such as air, cloud, dust, land, mountain, river, temperature, humidity, water, water vapor, and everything which is non-living but essential for human health, but essential for development of ecosystem or environment, for the better or the smooth running of environment. So what we can say, how we can define abiotic environment? Abiotic environment is an environment, these are the factors. Abiotic environment or abiotic factors are factors which are non-living but are equally beneficial or equally important for the smooth running of or the smooth health of environment. Okay, so next is importance of environment. What is the importance of environment? As we told, the environment is complete things which surround us. So if our surrounding is better, then our health, our lifestyle will be better. Okay, environment plays an important role in healthy living and the existence of life on planet Earth. Earth is a home for different living species and we all are dependent on environment for food, for air, for water and other needs. Therefore, it is important for every individual to save and protect our environment. Okay, because everything, food, shelter, air, water, everything for betterment or for our living, we are getting from environment. So it's our duty to protect environment for our benefit. Impact of human activity on environment. There are different type of human activities which are directly attributed to the environment disaster, which include acid rain, acidification of ocean, change in the climate, deforestation, duplication of an ozone layer, disposal of hazardous waste, global warming, overpollution, population. So these are the factors, these are the results of the interference of human being on a environmental cycle. Means like deforestation. Why deforestation is taking place? Because we are constructing buildings, roads, industrial areas. So by cutting the forest, duplication of ozone layer, greenhouse gases are releasing from industries, from vehicles. So these greenhouse gases are duplicating ozone layer. Also, what happened after ozone layer duplication? UV, ultraviolet rays are directly coming to the sun, earth from sun, and it's changing the health of living organism. Disposal of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste from industries. Hazardous liquid, which is poisonous, hazardous waste, plastic waste, pesticide, herbicide, all includes or came under hazardous waste. Global warming, ozone depletion, deforestation, climate change, all came to a point which is called global warming. What happened after global warming? The melting of glaciers, temperature rising, seasonal changes. These all are the result of global warming or the disturbance of ecosystem by human activities. Or overpopulation and pollution. Pollution is a very important point. There are pollution, but how we can define in general that pollution is the change in the natural composition. If I'm changing the natural concept or natural composition of a system, this is called pollution, because naturally it's functional, but human activity decrease it or increase it. So this is decrease or increase is known as pollution. So there are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, numbers of pollution which we are going to discuss in second topic, which is a very interesting topic in our topic in your syllabus. There is the air pollution, water pollution. There are two important pollution. There are types and how they are affecting the human beings and how we can control this kind of pollution. We will discuss on the next video. Okay, thank you. Namaskar. So we were discussing about the hazardous waste and how we can remove it from the organic farming system or the organic system. So first, these are the some types of the hazardous waste. Characteristics: reactivity, corrosivity, injectivity, toxicity, acute waste extraction test. There are a number of tests through which we can just detect the waste material. Listed waste, okay, non-specific mercury, different type of heavy chemicals, heavy waste also present, heavy metals also present, which directly indirectly these are hazardous and affect the organic farming system also. So today's topic is just based on the hazardous waste and its role and its effect on organic farming. Next topic we will discuss about the different type of pollutant or waste. Thank you. Namaskar.